What's up and welcome to the channel. This week in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a Welt pocket with a flap. This is another great tailored pocket that you could often see on coats, on jackets, on blazers, even on the back side of tailored trousers, and even on tailored dresses. Now this pocket design is relatively easy and straightforward to create. However, I say the finishing is what would really make it shine. So if you'd like to see how I made this Welt pocket, make sure to keep on watching, share it with someone who you think will find it useful. If you haven't joined the KDWAS fam already, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's literally free. Honestly, it is free and you'll be the first to know when I have new videos on the channel every single week. And with that being said, let's get straight into this tutorial. So I've gone ahead to mark the pocket width dimension on the right side of my garment, and I'm working with a pocket width of 5.5 inches, and this you would mark on the right side of your fabric. So you'd also need to cut two strips that measure roughly 6.5 inches long and 1 inch wide. These would help you create the opening of the pocket. As for the flap, you will need a somewhat squarish piece that measures 6 inches by 4.5 inches. Now starting off with the flap, I'm going to be putting right sides together and we're going to be sewing up the sides and then turn it inside out so we have a nicely finished flap to attach to the pocket. So I'm just sewing here on a 1 centimeter seam allowance before taking it to my ironing board to turn it inside out and then iron it flat with some steam just to ensure I have nice and clean corners. Now the two strips I cut earlier on, we're going to be folding them in half, and I have put the wrong sides together and I'm just ironing it through like this, because once you have it ironed like this, it's a lot easier to work with, especially if it's a woven fabric. So now I'm going to be grabbing those iron strips and we're going to be aligning the raw edge to the line that we drew for the pocket. As you can see, the strips are slightly longer than the pocket by about ½ an inch on both sides, and we're going to be stitching those strips right through the middle on both sides, on the top and on the bottom. So I'm going to take this to my machine and I'm just going to be sewing across like so from the beginning till the end, and I make sure I stop ½ an inch before the edge on both sides, because this would really help you turn the pocket inside out. So now that we have both of the strips stitched in place, I'm going to grab a small scissors and cut along that chalk line that we drew earlier on. I'm starting from the beginning till the end. And when I cut this opening, I stop about ½ an inch on both sides and then cut a triangle that meets both stitch on the top and on the bottom. After doing that, I'm just going in here to attach my flap to the top of the pocket edge like so, and I'm going to be sewing the flap onto this side of the pocket opening. So you want to try and sew as close as possible to the initial stitch you did. If you are confident enough, you could even sew your flap and that top piece in one go. So once you have that flap in place, I'm just going in here to turn everything inside out to tuck the pocket flap edge and the edges of the strips that we joined, and that tiny triangle that we cut is what would help us actually close off the sides of the pocket. So I'm going to take this to my machine and I'm going to be sewing the small triangle that we cut along the edge against the two strips on the inside. I went ahead to give this a nice press, and this is what the pocket is looking like so far. Now you can see mine is not even like 1000%, but I would say it looks decent for a flap pocket project I haven't done in a while. Now for the pocket bag, I cut a fabric that measures 13 inches long and 7 inches wide, and I would say your pocket bag should be either the same fabric or a fabric that is complementary in terms of weight. And I'm just going to go ahead and attach the pocket bag along that top edge and along the bottom edge, so you have it sort of like concealing the pocket on the inside. Now I'm sewing the top side of the pocket to the top side of the pocket bag at about 0.5 centimeter seam allowance from the beginning till the end, and I'm going to repeat this for the other side of the pocket bag before going back to sew the pocket bag close along the side. So you need to do this for the left and for the right hand side to finish off your Welt pocket with flap and a pocket bag. Now this is something that you could easily attach on the side of a coat, of a blazer jacket, on a skirt, on a tailored pair of trousers, and it's a great way to add pockets if you don't want to like go through making patch pockets or doing anything too cumbersome. This is a very clean and refined way to add pockets to garments. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tailoring pocket project. If you did, do let me know in the comment section down below. If you do get to recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at KimDaveDesigns. I know yours will turn out 10 times better than mine. I'm positive of it. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share your thoughts, suggestions and ideas down below. And until my next video, have a good morning, afternoon and evening wherever you are. Bye. So this will vary though, depending on the market level you want your collection to sit on, the type of models you work with, if you're making the pieces yourself or if you're getting them produced. There are a lot of variables that would affect the cost that you would arrive at the end of the day.